What up, babies? I'm back again. I am back again with another lit candle review from Bath and Body Works, y'all. Yeah, so you know what to do before we do it. Come on now. Come on, somebody. Make sure you hit that like button and do all of that other stuff. But only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House. Gang, gang. Gang. It's only 2 gangs. Shut up. All right. So, without further ado, let's get into this candle, y'all. This is one of the new news, and it's the KIWI Starfruit Cooler. Ooh, that smells good, though. Yeah, it really do. Packaging is simple, but it's like a light limeish, greenish wax. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, what was all this? Okay, we're on the beach. It must be a drink. It must be a drink. Okay. Yeah, it must be a drink. I don't be knowing because I don't really drink a lot. Shut up. Yeah, and it has really cute decorative top. All of the new 2021 summer collection has this top, which is so pretty. Yeah. All right, let's get into these notes. Okay, so we got sweet star fruit. Yeah, smell it. I smell it. Sparkling kiwi salsa. Yeah, there's like a bubble in there. We got splash of guava juice. Yeah. Lemon garnish with natural essential oils. Okay, they have to put natural up in this motherfucker. Okay. Yeah, it smells good though. Okay. I ain't mad at it. Oh, look at this, y'all. Dirty, too. Chicken leg. Ooh, ooh, yeah. It smells good, though. All right. So, let me get right to it. I'm going to trim, light, and get this puppy started. And I will be back, all right? Y'all come on back now. You heard? Stay tuned. I didn't have high hopes for this one, y'all. I really didn't. Because. But baby. Oh, y'all. Wait. Hold on, I got a drink for this one. Ugh. Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. Ain't nothing like a good cup of hot coffee. All right. Yo, the throw on this thing is about I'm gonna say a 7.852473, y'all. She good. She almost an 8. She knocking on the door of an 8, y'all. Ooh, I like this one, y'all. It's good. I promise you, I didn't think I was gonna like it that much. On cold, she smelled good. Don't get me wrong. But burning, baby, is different. I smell star fruit. I smell it. The star fruit is like, hello. I smell it. Oh, my goodness, y'all. This is so good. I don't know. Is there a drink like this? Because I must have it. I must get this drink. All right. Sorry. Let's talk about performance, though. She pulled expeditiously. What do you want? Right away. Like, she was pulled. Right? It smells good, though. little gradient going on, but it ain't that special. But it's okay. I'll take it because Goose ain't going to give us nothing. Let it go. Let it go, Elsa. Now, she kind of high flamish, if you will. And I see a little mushroom, but again, I've been burning out of this girl. I've been burning her. So it's probably time to blow she out and let her chill and relight her, y'all. I gotta relight her. It's good. Yeah, so she's okay. She's performing okay. Yeah, I like it. You think that what? Y'all think they're gonna bring this one back? I'm not sure. They need to bring this one back, y'all. They really do. They really do. I'm scared. Like, what if I put her like on a lamp? Ooh, could you imagine? Now this one is good. Go ahead, Beth. Absolute repurchase. Yeah, I said it. Fight me. Absolute repurchase, y'all. Yeah, I like it. And I like it a lot. All right, so. Can we do a depiction? How about that? Let's do a depiction. Oh, wait. Put these glasses on. Hold on. Okay. I can see clearly now. My reader's on. That was funny. Shut up. All right. Okay, sweet starfruit. Yes! Didn't I say that? Ooh, sparkling kiwi seltzer. Ooh, kiwi seltzer. That sounds good. Seltzer water is nasty. I'm just saying. But that sounds good. Splash of guava juice. Guava juice. Just a splash. Oh, I gotta get one of those. Lemon garnish. Oh, they so cute. With natural essential oils. Okay, Goose. That's not Goose shade. Oh, sorry, y'all. Okay, bad. I feel you. It's like, I'm a mama's. It's like when you call your kids, you be like, is I here? But it be Stefan you on. And sometimes I call one of them Sasha. That was the dog. And she's female. It happens. Fight me. All right. Okay, the coffee kicking in. This only got a 4.3. What's wrong with people? Okay, this one person said that the throw was on the lighter side for her. Because for me, it's not. And this other person said, a 3 out of a 10, girl. Open a window. I'm just saying. What? Something wrong with her room, her house. Something going on. Her PA, her room H. What I used to call it, y'all? It's off. All right. Anywho, like I said, absolute repurchase. I would say spot on. It's noteworthy. Yeah, all of that. So that's it. That's all. And having said all of that, I will see you, babies, later. I love your guts, and y'all be good.